He grew up on the farm, child prodigy at the age of 9. Played on road rinks and ponds, his stick was a magic wand. Moved away when he was young, scored in junior, the game was fun. Another rink, another town, another barn, another animal, another tap on the shoulder, mama, it's showtime. Go to unleash your little Celtic thunder, baby. Down he His family, they were poor. His love for the game so pure. Played shinny all day long, frostbit toes, but he grew strong. Blew a knee, and his role changed.